Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sharpen your images in Lightroom. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here it usually opens up in the gallery. And then from the gallery we have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. We tap on it, then it loads, and after it has loaded, in the bottom bar we have to select detail. As you can see here, it's a little triangle. We tap on it, and then at the top there is a slider for sharpening. If we move it to the right, the picture becomes sharper, and if we move it to the left, it becomes less sharp. If we zoom in, we can see the effect. See, it's more pixelated this way. And if we move it to the left, then it's less pixelated. Sharper and less sharp. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys and see you in the next one. Bye.